in a farmer's field. No trespass sign, you got time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt, so what's the big deal? There's something about a truck in a farmer's field, and there's something about beer sitting on ice. After a long hard day, it makes it taste just right. On that drive tailgate on a summer night, yeah, there's something about a beer sitting on ice. And there's something about a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer pressed against her lips. And that farmer's field will make a boy a mess. Yeah, there's something about a girl in a red sundress. And there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more on that drive tailgate back behind the corn. The most natural thing ever felt before. Yeah, there's something about a kiss that's gonna lead to more. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. Yeah, there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing but it, love. Something about a truck, and there's something about a creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need no clothes, just hang 'em on a limb. 'Cause there's something about a creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. Yeah, there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees, and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing. Ain't nothing but it, love. Something about a truck.